Okay, so there might be a few problems with the painting. There might be some spots that we have missed. There might also be a problem, like, I think there might be a little bit of mold inside there. Well, the closet, it's mostly doing good. But it still is the carpet that we might have to change to the hard floor we have here. And then we have the air conditioning. We don't know if we're going to change the light to a fan, maybe.
I said, funny enough, we're painting.
Wow. You're doing a much more thorough job than I did yesterday, I think.
Oh, really?
Me, it was like, find the holes, cover it. You can see the streaks from the roller I used. It's like, it wasn't exactly a thorough job.
It's okay, I won't hold it against you. This is the worst painting job of my life. It's like, how long is it going to last for?
Right, yeah. Well, I mean, I guess, if it gets us through the next, 3 years or so, then, job well done.
Exactly.
If it does what it's supposed to do, which is temporary.
Here's our 5-star accommodation for the next 2 weeks. No, it's actually a really, really good tent. It's we used it to go camping when it was pretty well raining constantly for 2 weeks, and we'll be using it here for 2 weeks as well. And it's very water repellent, very accommodating for all kinds of wet conditions. I guess it's called a Watergate 8, made by Campa, and I guess it's not just a clever name. It does comfortably hold 8 people. It's only 4 of us using it, but it comfortably, I don't know if you can kind of see through the window here, but to one side here is one of my kids, other kid on the other side, more than enough room rather for their stuff, and then me and Emily over on the other side. Plumbed, wired, working. Here we have the external portion of the heat pump that we're going to be installing into the shoe. Underneath this tarp is where we have all of the siding that will eventually be I think there's wrap in the garage, but we've got some wrap to finish up this part here, and then siding to go over top of that. And we'll be doing that later. Okay, here we've set up sort of a temporary shelter to keep the HVAC stuff dry while we try to make space in the garage. I guess the plan is, hopefully later this week we'll get to be installing this, so this situation is definitely very temporary. Please press the like button if you think we've earned it. Subscribe to the channel for updates as we continue our journey.